The Noctua NH-D15 chromax.Black CPU cooler features a stylish all-black design that complements various computer setups, especially those with RGB lighting. Its extra-wide dual-tower design, equipped with 6 heat pipes and 2 fans, offers exceptional cooling efficiency comparable to many water cooling systems. The dual-fan setup utilizes the acclaimed NF-A15 140mm fans, ensuring optimal cooling performance while remaining whisper-quiet during idle periods. Installation is straightforward thanks to the included NTH1 thermal paste and SecuFirm 2 mounting system, which supports a wide range of Intel and AMD sockets. The product is backed by a 6-year manufacturer's warranty, reflecting Noctua's commitment to quality and reliability for both Intel and AMD processors. As a premium cooling solution, the NH-D15 chromax.Black is favored by overclockers and quiet computing enthusiasts alike for its remarkable performance and minimal noise.